We'll guide you through how to fix iPhone Bluetooth not connecting or pairing. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and so you're finding that your iPhone Bluetooth is not connecting or pairing with the device. Perhaps it's a Bluetooth speaker or headphones or another type of device. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. Make sure it's this full video so you know what you can try doing in order to go and resolve this problem, as it's really annoying as you're then unable to go and use the device. So without any further ado, let's go and jump straight into this. So to go and get started, you want to go and open up the settings like so. Then you want to come to Bluetooth. So you may go and find that you can't even go and connect or pair in the first place, or perhaps you've connected before and it won't do it again. Perhaps also you'll find that it doesn't show up at all in the list, or it shows up and it won't connect. It doesn't matter, we've got fixes you can try doing, we're keeping this guide broad. So come into Bluetooth like so. So first of all, what's worth doing is simply just turning off Bluetooth like so, leave it off for a few seconds. And then what you can do is come back after and turn it back on. Now go and see if it'll go and connect. Now, if you previously went and connected and it won't go and connect again, then what you want to try doing is finding the device, press the I to the right, then you can go and press forget this device and press forget device. And then what you can try doing is you can try connecting again, go and see so. Now, if it still doesn't work, what I recommend you try doing is coming out of here and you want to go down to General and you want to go and press About at the top. I'm just going to move my phone down as it shows some sort of personal info, and then you want to go and find Name. Now, this can be worth doing. I found when connected with certain devices is that if I've connected before, sometimes because it's you trying to connect to the same device, just changing the name slightly can go and resolve problems. So it was iPhone GR, I could change it to iPhone 17. Just change it slightly, it doesn't matter. Then we can press the tick in the bottom right, we'll come back. And then what you can try doing is going and connecting again and go and see if that solves it. If you're still finding that it isn't, the next thing you want to try doing is you want to try performing a forced restart. So this will go and refresh the iPhone, and often it will go and solve problems with device not connecting. So what you can do is go and press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button. You're going to see this screen here, but you go and keep it held down. Shortly, the phone's going to go black. Even when it goes black, you're going to go and keep it held down. And shortly, what's going to happen is it should come back on and you're going to go and see the Apple icon indicating that it's now starting. So what you can now do is go and wait. And it's going to automatically turn back on. If you've got an older iPhone, this does take a little bit longer, but this is a new one, so it shouldn't go and take too long. As I said, just doing this just goes and completely goes and refreshes and restarts things. So keep waiting, it shouldn't be much longer. And we're now back on, and we can then go and unlock it. Then you can come back to your settings and you can come back to Bluetooth and go and see if it'll now go and connect and pair. Hopefully it will. Now, if you're finding that it still won't, the next thing you want to do is come out of your Bluetooth there, and you want to go down and find the option for General. Then you want to go and scroll down and you want to find the option for Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then go down and you can press Reset. And what's worth doing is resetting the network settings. To confirm that, you need to go and enter in your passcode. This will go and reset Wi-Fi as well, which does go and then mean you have to go and enter in Wi-Fi passwords again. But it's worth doing if you can go and resolve the problem, and hopefully it does. So hopefully now, after all that, it's now going to go and work. Now, what you can try doing is connecting or pairing. So what I'm going to do here is come back to Bluetooth, make sure the device is turned on, and then you also go and put it into pairing mode. That's super important. And then hopefully it will go and appear, tap on it, and shortly it will go and connect, as you can see, and now hopefully you can go and use the device. So if you found this useful and it solved your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more guides on the channel you can go and check out, and loads more to come. So feel free to go and check out the channel and subscribe. And if you've got any suggestions, feel free to put them down below. I look forward to going to read them and seeing what we can do with them. Goodbye for now, and I look forward to help you again in the future.